Hey everyone, welcome back to Kitchen Chaos. Today we're making Tofu Savoy Cabbage Rolls. So essentially, we're gonna take some cabbage and stuff it full of veggies and tofu with Asian-inspired flavors. So here, we're just prepping our Savoy cabbage, our celery, and our tofu. While you're cutting all of these things up, get a pot of water on the stove to start boiling. And you're actually gonna season that water with some salt. Then you're gonna place the cabbage leaves in that pot of water and let them cook until they're tender, but not falling apart and mushy. That's gross. So once cooked, take the cabbage out and pat it dry. You can set them aside for now, we'll use those later. Next, we're going to start cooking the filling. So in addition to the celery, we're going to add some carrot shreds. These are already shredded because I wanted to save some time. You can add whatever veggies you want here though, completely up to you. So give those veggies a stir and then add the tofu. So to save time, we're throwing in our frozen garlic and our frozen ginger. Nice aromatic flavors here. In most cases, you want to add your frozen peas last. They cook really quickly and this helps to keep them bright and fresh and not mushy. Stir until all these ingredients are incorporated. As you cook, season with some sesame oil, some soy sauce, red pepper flakes, and some salt and pepper. Don't forget, taste as you go, see what else it might need. Once you're happy with the filling, it's time to assemble. So grab those cabbage leaves that we put aside from earlier and place the filling inside those. Then you're gonna roll the cabbage up like a burrito and there you go. Tofu Savoy Cabbage Rolls. Plus, now if you have leftovers, you basically have leftover stir-fry ingredients that you can use for another meal later this week. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our website for the full recipe plus more tips and tricks. And give us a follow on all of the socials. See you next time.